Let's learn how to make these Moroccan-inspired lamb meatballs. First thing for the meatballs is breadcrumbs. Take 2 tablespoons and we're going to hydrate it with 3 tablespoons of tomato juice. Once it's all mixed together, pop it in your bowl. Crack in 1 egg, try not to break up the shells or drop them in. 1 teaspoon of salt, some black pepper, grate in 2 cloves of garlic, and then the all-important Harissa powder, a good full teaspoon. And then we're going to add 300 grams of lamb mince. When it's all mixed together, make them into little balls, and when they're all ready and in the bottom of your basket, get them in the Robsy at 220 for 15 minutes. While the meatballs are cooking, let's make some little bits to go with it. They're done. Tip them into a bowl because you want to make sure you can get all that juice out the bottom. They smell intoxicating. So let's get this on the plate. Take a spoonful of that lovely hummus, a few of them delicious lamb meatballs, that little tomato salad, and a drizzle of that harissa oil, a little bit of yummy flatbread, 1 of them meatballs, some of that hummus and tomato salad. Amazing. They are incredible. If you love a little late night kebab, these lamb meatballs will be right up your street. You need to give these a go.